G'day guys, thanks for checking out Mazda 2 that just arrived. This one here is in a winning blue colour and is really well appointed. It's got headlight protectors, bonnet protector, and as you can see through the bonnet of that car, it's in great condition. You've got alloy wheels, you've got your colour-coded mirror handles and door. Coming through inside, you've got the red tripping all throughout. Cloth trim, which is in great condition. Coming through on the back of the vehicle, wide opening, plenty of room through the back of the car and into the front there as well. On the back, you got the alloy wheels all the way around, rear parking sensors, quick release on the boot, and this boot is massive. Split fold rear seats as well. And coming down through the side, it's in great condition. Coming through inside, a couple of things onto this one that you get full electric windows through here, your mirror adjustment as well, aircon, stability control, you've got your cruise control and audio controls, full leather wrap steering wheel. Car's traveled 102,000 Ks. Really clear display. Wipers through there, which are intermittent wipers as well. You've got the colour infotainment system with your Bluetooth as well, colour reverse camera, and all your controls through here. And there's also 2 plugs in for your Bluetooth as well. All your controls done through here, so you can change everything.